Unit 7 stabilization complete.
Confirmed. Proceeding to pre-scan. Transition mode initiated. Mainline advance complete. Prepare for loop entry.
The texture symmetry is excellent.
Density is uniform across the sheet.
Final approval authorized.
Make sure that edge is flat before it hits the spray.
Got it. Check the temperature on panel 4.
Guide it straight.
Pressure is stable at 2,000 psi.
Watch the edges, keep it centered. Check the absorption rate on this one.
UV scan shows 85% saturation.
Increase the temperature balance slightly.
Keep the tension steady on lane 3. We're almost at full elasticity.
Confirm, tension holding.
Scan complete on bay 4. We have a variance detected at 3D coordinates.
Acknowledged. Checking with the calipers now. Looks like a minor grain inconsistency.
Verify position. 7 micro adjustments required.
Confirmed. Alignment successful. Proceed to laser.
Scan the blue accents for batch 12.
Approved. Move them to the sky blue trays.
Batch 4B staging complete, diverting to preconditioning.
Confirmed. Automated shuttle moving to Bay 7 for transfer.
Ensure the grain pattern matches the reference sheet.
Yes, moving this batch to premium accessories.
Verify these dimensions and move to pallet 4. Copy that. Scan complete.
Welcome to the MegaFactory, Mr. Chairman. Please accept these protective gloves and your access badge.
Thank you. The facility is stunning.
As you can see on the tablet, the 5-year option provides a significant advantage.
We appreciate the terms. The craftsmanship is truly unmatched.
Look at the detail on this stitching. The precision is remarkable.
Absolutely stunning work. The scale of this operation is deeply impressive.
We've redefined manufacturing. This isn't just a factory, it's the future of bespoke production for our elite clients.
Look at the consistency on that handbag line. It's a testament to our synchronized robotics.
Truly elite.
As you can see in the durability report, the stitching can withstand extreme conditions.
And the lead time for the bulk order remains consistent for this quarter.
We are very impressed. Let's move forward with the exclusive contract for these 3 batches.
It's a pleasure doing business with you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and don't miss our next video. Uneslo.